In Jamaica, when someone says, young bud no know a storm, it's a reminder that people who haven't lived long, who haven't amassed as much life experience, they haven't faced certain hardships. They may not fully understand the depth of struggle and what it takes to overcome it. A young person might feel invincible. They might talk brashly and boldly, and they might even dismiss the wisdom of elders. Because really and truly, them don't have no sense. They don't know any better. But you see, experience is a teacher that does not whisper. It shakes you. It shapes you. And it humbles you. Just like a storm leaves an indelible mark on any terrain it encounters. Though oftentimes hurled judgmentally, this proverb's true intent isn't critical. It is supposed to be a reminder, a hearkening to wisdom, reminding us to listen, reminding us to walk with humility, reminding us that storms, whether emotional, financial, or spiritual, comes for everyone. And those who have survived them carry a wisdom priceless and irreplaceable.